Starting at the end of 2022, I worked as a delivery driver for Amazon. I was an independent contractor, so I delivered packages out of my personal vehicle, which happened to be a little Honda Fit. I remember trying to take on as many shifts as I could, sometimes starting as early as 3 a.m. And it was tough, to be honest, especially considering that I was living in the car for a lot of that time while working at Amazon. Needless to say, I didn't sleep very much during this period of my life. And let me tell you, working out of a car with no AC during the heat wave we had in California this past summer, not fun. My main objective was to catch up on and ultimately pay off my credit cards. And aside from fuel costs, that was where the majority of my money went. I was making progress on the debt, but very slowly because of the high interest. So I was living paycheck to paycheck, working for Amazon for about 1.5 years, gradually paying down credit card debt. And then my car breaks down. Instantly, I had lost my main source of income and the possibility to fall back on the other 2 sources of income, which would have been my backup plan. I had virtually no money saved up and nothing to show for the work that I had done for that past 1.5 years. Mainly because of one mistake. I didn't pay myself first. Paying yourself first is a simple financial budgeting strategy from the book The Richest Man in Babylon. The pay yourself first principle means that whenever you get paid, the first thing you do is pay some amount of your money to either a savings account or an investment account before you do anything else. In other words, you treat your personal savings or investments as the first bill to pay every time you get paid. I honestly think if I had applied this one financial concept for that 1.5 years that I was working for Amazon, I probably would have had more than $8,000 saved up by the time my car broke down. That would have been life-changing for me. That would have saved me from so much grief and hardship. And the peace of mind that I would have had leading up to the breakdown because I would have known that I had money saved would have made life so much less stressful. Maybe you have a similar story and you can relate to this experience of working hard but then not having anything to show for it. The pay yourself first strategy may be one of the best ways to escape living paycheck to paycheck while gradually building wealth, because it forces you to prioritize savings and investing above all else.